Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to create or add a YouTube shortcut in Windows 11 desktop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for YouTube. Once you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key to expand or reveal the list of the option and proceed with this one, which is open file location. Now, the moment you do it, you will be redirected to this location. Okay, where here you can see your YouTube. All you need to do is you need to click on this copy icon at the top, place at the left side of that, close the window, and here make a right click and go with this paste icon. And in that way, you have just successfully created a YouTube shortcut here in your Windows 11 desktop. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on creating a YouTube shortcut in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.